Ooh, it's super early. Why am I up this early today? Well, me and my buddy Nick's gonna go pick up his very first project. He bought himself a nice little thing that we're gonna show you later. But right now, gotta get all the tools ready. Wait for him to pick me up. Look at him pulling up in his new truck like he's something special. Old cars are better. Look at that fucker. Dick. Nick Dozier, what did you just get?
454 big block score.
Oh yeah. Let's see if we can't get it. Oh, look, there's the front end right there. Let's see if I can't drop my phone out the window. Timer set on there. Yeah. How pumped are you right now?
1 to 10, I'm a 12.
How much did you think it was worth?
1800.
How much do you think it's worth now?
18,000.
We're ready to start working on this thing.
Hell yeah.
It's got a 454 in it, all the MSD goodies, and he needs a carburetor. And might have one. Not me, but the owner of it might have one. You ready to take it back?
Yeah.
Good to go. Here we go, boys. Empty out that bed, start going through it. Oh, there's a dent. That's a dent.
No, it ain't.
That's a dent.
No, sir.
You just slammed that light right on there. Look at that. 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 Look at that.
All right, I'll take 14K.
14K. Right now, fuel cell.
With dent.
The dent costs extra. That's a custom dent. This is custom primer.